Hi guys, it's your girl Kia P with a simple DIY from the Dollar Tree. Today I'm going to be making a key holder using this picture frame. This is the perfect picture frame for me to do it because it is see-through, and I'm going to use the see-through hooks that you can also get at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to also be using some decorative crafting paper for the picture frame as my background. And I'm going to be using these silver letters that I also got from the Dollar Tree as well. Have my scissors, and now I'm going to look for a part of this pretty decorative paper that I want to display in the picture frame. I kind of want to make sure I get a dark part of the paper so that the letters will show up behind it, and I found the area that I want to cut out. So now I'm cutting the paper to size so that I can insert it into the picture frame. Y'all, this is so simple. Anybody can do this. And it's a cute little decorative piece that you can create on your own. Here I am looking for where to insert the paper. And I'm so glad I did not break this picture frame, because I don't even think they have these, but if you see them, pick it up. Any picture frame will do though. I had to move the backing from the top of the frame to the side to make it landscape. And I put the paper in upside down. So here I am turning it around. Bloopers are always good to have. And I like to use the paper that was in the frame just to make it a little bit bulky so that the insert does not slide around. So here I am looking for the letters that I want to use, and I just wanted to simply say keys. Nothing fancy, because it's fancy enough in itself. I love roses. They are my flowers, so this paper is so pretty. Here I am struggling to get the letters off. And you just simply place them or center them as best as you can, or you can get a ruler and be perfect if you like, but I tried to eyeball it because I'm good like that, I think. But nevertheless, you're just going to get your letters off. And like again, I said I simply wanted to say keys, because that's all that's going to go there. I just wanted something that will pop off that black, and I thought the silver would look nice because that's kind of like the gray undertone in the home. And once I got the letters off, now I'm going to arrange them so that they are in the center and straight. This took me a minute because they are stickers and I didn't want to stick them down until they were perfectly where I wanted them to be. So just bear with the video. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share as well. If you are on that platform where you can subscribe, if you're on the other platform where you can follow, go ahead and give me a follow, a thumbs up, a like, a heart, anything to show your support as I am trying to grow on all platforms and share my knowledge and days and everything that I indulge in with you guys. So like my content, like my content, like my content. So here I am. I finally got them in place. So I'm just making sure that they are pressed down and sticking to the glass. But y'all, this came out so cute to me. I really, really like it. And yeah, coming along quite nicely. Next, I'm going to take the clear see-through hooks. And I chose the clear see-through hooks because I didn't want to take away from the photo inside of the frame. I wanted to have that acrylic glass look to it. So here I am just cutting off the little tab area. It's a tab that come on the bottom of these before you peel the backing off because they are like a super glue tape backing on them. And I'm just going to line them up and place them on the frame. Once I have them on there, stick them down. There we have it. It was so simple. And that is the finished look. Keys hanging up there, y'all. That is so cute. And so simple to make. Stay tuned. Follow for more.